Hey guys, to create a Kraken account, sign up on the website or app with an email and password. So I'm gonna hit create account right here. Enter your email, okay? And once you enter your email, you're gonna hit continue, add the password, continue, select your country of residence, and continue. You're gonna confirm the email, right? And once you verify the email, you're gonna complete the ID verification process. You'll be inside Kraken in no time, right? And once you're in, verify the ID, right, by providing personal information in the photo ID. And to get a free 20 euro sign up code, you must use the referral code, referral link. Usually looks like a gift icon, and you can just go ahead and take that link generated by Kraken and share it to a friend or via text message or social media app. You can just share it in the DMs, okay? And they must complete the referral program's requirements, such as depositing fiat and meeting the trading conditions. Note that bonus offers are subject to change and terms apply. So always check the specific requirements in your app. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.